on so that you can see the display. And again, crocodile loop, and here comes one of the favourite manoeuvres for the Ravens, twizzles. That's the equivalent of a wing wave, the crew waving to you. Not for all the tea in China would I do that. So it's good that the wind died down a little bit. If it's too windy, sometimes we have to throw that roll away. Glad to see that Dave. Do wave to them. They can see you waving, so please, if anyone deserves a wave, it's a young girl that's just unstrapped herself and is sitting on the wing of an aircraft. Ladies and gentlemen, Aero Supermatics. Look at that. And it don't stop there. Because now, okay.
Yet done a formation there, about a 8 formation with smoke on. Renowned for his being the only member of the team that is a qualified fixed-wing and rotary pilot, and renowned for his beatboxing ability. Instructor courses and ceremonial displays like we can see today. Fitted with the popular Pratt & Whitney PT6A engine as seen in the static display on the ground, the aircraft is capable of up to 320 knots and today is travelling by at approximately 250 knots or close to 450 kilometers an hour.
I must say that Richard does quite a bit of negative genes. That's something you really need to be fit and used to doing.
forms into the mirror position in the box.
Now watch this. As corkscrew around the other team formation.
What, Mommy?
Now you see, now you know.
Just spinning around.
Remember I said to you, a lot of these various different maneuvers were learned as combat maneuvers.